Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows computer. First, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu or taskbar. Once the Microsoft Store is open, click on the search box at the top and type WhatsApp. Press Enter to see the search results. Now, look for the official WhatsApp application. Make sure you select the correct app before installing it. If WhatsApp is not already installed on your computer, you will see an Install or Get button. Click on this button to begin the installation. Windows will now download and install WhatsApp Desktop. The installation may take a few moments, depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is finished, the button will change to Open. Click Open to launch WhatsApp Desktop. If WhatsApp is already installed on your computer, you will see the Open button instead of the Install button. You don't need to install it again. Simply click Open to launch the application. When WhatsApp Desktop opens for the first time, you will see a QR code on the screen. To connect your WhatsApp account, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings, then select Link Devices. Tap Link a device and scan the QR code displayed on your computer. After scanning the code, your WhatsApp account will be connected to the desktop application. Now you can use WhatsApp on your Windows computer to send messages, share files, and communicate with your contacts. And that's how you can install WhatsApp Desktop on Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.